Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Solar Alliance 5th Assembly. International Solar Alliance 5th Assembly to be held in New Delhi from 17th to 20th October 2022. The assembly will be presided over by Shri R.K Singh, Union Minister of Power, New and Renewable Energy. Leaders from 109 countries to attend ISA's 5th Assembly. Assembly will deliberate on key initiatives of ISA on three critical issues of energy access, energy security and energy transition. India's pace of energy transition is the fastest in the world. International Solar Alliance is absolutely essential for our planet's goal of energy transition. Following the 5th General Assembly, three analytical reports will also be launched, namely World Solar Technology Report, World Solar Market Report, and World Solar Investment Report. The International Solar Alliance is an international organization with 109 member and signatory countries.